Hello everyone. Now, the first video that I presented on background properties was about the different types of colors and the type of picture which you want to put, right? Now, in this new other video, I'll be presenting on the other two commands which we have on background properties. So, shall we begin? Firstly, the first three commands which we had covered in the background properties of the first video, which was presented by Reshma, was on the type of color which you want to choose, the type of image, and then whether or not to repeat the background image or not. Now in this presentation, I'll be covering on the position of the background image and then the attachment. Attachment as in how you're gonna attach the background image, whether you want to move it with the web page or do you want to keep it fixed like as it is. And then lastly, let's talk a little bit on shorthand commands. So firstly, let's look at background position. The command is used to adjust the position of the background image. Well, basically that's it. You'll just be specifying the position you wanna set your background image to on the web page. The syntax for this command is simply background position colon and then the value with semicolon. Now let's look at the type of example. Oh wait, before that, let's see the types of values which you will input in the background position. Firstly, it will be by name. You can type it by name, like keep it as left top or top right, and then etc. I'll show you in the later section in the practical part. And then the second type would be about by using percentage, and then lastly by number. Okay, so I've already created an about us page with HTML, and then I've created a CSS file to state the background command. So first thing I have here is for the image setting, which image you want to set for the background, and then the no repeat command, which doesn't let the image repeat itself in the web page. And then here in the position section, I've set it as right top. So as you can see in the web page, the image is displayed, the background image is displayed at the right side. Now let's say I want to keep it as left, and then let's see the changes. As you can see, the background image, it shifts towards the left side. You can use other commands as well. You can even use like 100%. You have to specify from 0 to 100%, like at which side you want to align the position. So when I input 100% to 100%, I get like yes, the alignment is towards the right side. The image is like positioned at the right side of the web page. So moving on with the presentation. Now the next command we have is background attachment. Now basically what it does is it lets the background image move along with the text in the web page, or just let it stay fixed on the web page. Like you don't want it to move. That's about it. So the syntax we use for this one is background hyphen attachment colon value semicolon. Now let's look at the value types. Basically there's only two types. First one is for scroll and second one is fixed. Scroll used to let the background image scroll with the text in the web page, and then fixed to keep it fixed. Okay, so for the attachment command now, I've already kept it as fixed. So when I keep it as fixed, this is how it looks, the background image. The background image will stay as it is. Only the text will move when I scroll through the web page. Now let's keep it as scroll. Now as you can see, the background image itself moves with the text when I keep it as scroll. Earlier, as you've seen that the background image doesn't move, but here background image moves with the text in the web page. Well, that's it for attachment. Now let's look at what shorthand means. Basically, what shorthand commands for background means is it's just a shortened version of the background code. Like before, you have already seen what the code actually looks like. It is like first you have the selector and then brackets, and then now you have every code for every command, right? For the image, repeat, position, attachment, etc. But with the shorthand CSS command, you can simply put all the different values in one single command for the command which is background. And let's say now we want to use this CSS command. So I will change the link. It will be shorthand CSS. Now let's see. As you can see, this part is gray. This part I've kept it as gray, and then for the other top right side I've kept the background image. So while creating this shorthand command for the background of the website, what you need to consider is the value order, like how the values should be ordered in the value section of the syntax for the shorthand command. So the order is basically, firstly you have to have the color, the image, the repeat setting, the attachment, and then the position. As you can see here, first I have the color, and then next the image, and then the type of repeat setting, and then next I have the position, and lastly for the attachment. So that's it for my presentation. So if you want to know more on the background command, then you can visit this website www.doubletreeschools.com. It's very user friendly. You can get any information you want for any command, and that's it. Thank you.